What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I have bought another cool thing about the Thrones and Liberty game. For that, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and share this video with your friends as well. In this video we're gonna be seeing how to get the Nightslayer Mantle in the Throne and Liberty. So I have gathered all the information. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need and how you get that. So these is the roadmap. So the required material is rare lithograph Nightslayer Mantle X1. So you only need this one. So rare magic powder, you need it 5 times. Rare Maggie thread, you need it 5 times. And rare polished crystal, you need it 6 times. So once you have all of these required materials, you can embed it and get the Nightslayer Mantle. So this is the stats for the Nightslayer Mantle if your level is 0. But if you increase the level of the Nightslayer Mantle to level 9, you will see that the melee defense is 169, the range defense is 161, the critical hit chance is 115, and the melee evasion is 130. So these are the possible trades for it. So that's how you can get it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.